Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hey, today we got this fender in for the Audi so we can get started working on it. I got another piece over here for the fender apron. We're going to check that out in a little bit, but in the meantime, let's check this fender out that we got from eBay. It does have some scratches on it, but I got one dent here. Looks like some scuff marks right in there, but for the most part, it looks like it's got like glue on it. But I mean, overall, it's in really good shape. Corners look good. I do have a scratch here, but what I'd like to do is take and see if we can get this knocked out. Less body filler. We don't have to use any body filler. I'd rather not use any, but we'll see when we get there. And wet sand it with 600 and then shoot some base and clear over it and see if we can get it to match up with the rest of the car. So let's see if we can get this dent out. Alright guys, I'm by far not a body man, but we did get a lot of it out. I think we can take a little bit of filler in there and fill it in a little bit, sand it down, and we should be good to go. So let's bring out some sandpaper and see what we can do. Alright guys, so I got my filler on there. Doesn't look too bad. Alright guys, so I got part of this fender sanded down and I'm starting to notice it. This thing's going to need some more repair. Take a look. Right around here, you can tell that something kind of nicked it right there. So that's going to have to be filled. Found a slow spot right in here. That's going to have to be filled. You don't start noticing these things till you start sanding and you see what exactly you got under there. I mean, to the naked eye, it looked great, but anyway, so the only real good part that I got is the top of this fender. We got this sanded down, but now after looking at it, we're really going to have some filler right around in there. Depends on which way you look at it, you can really tell it. But anyway guys, that's all on this fender. We'll get that support sanded down. I'll videotape a little bit of that just so you can see. But yeah, let me know what you think. Was this a good buy? I got this fender for $150. So I mean, it's better than $400 for a new fender. So a little bit of work. I'm all for a little bit of work. But yeah, let me know what you think. Should I sand it all the way down and prime it, or should I 600 like I'm doing, wet sanding it and then shooting the base over top of that? But hey, let me know in the comments below. Hey, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll check you next time.